Hello, hello, hello. So we're live.
Hi.
We're live in Paris.
Today we come to you from Paris, one of our favorite cities in the world, and we're just here for 2 days. We arrived last night. Thank you for holding it. Your arms are a lot longer. We arrived last night and it's gonna be Alex's birthday tomorrow. So it's kind of, we're combining a trip that we wanted to do this fall because fall was so beautiful in Paris. The first time we came to Paris, maybe 10 years ago.
Yeah, it was in the fall.
I think about 10 years, almost 10 years ago.
Late September.
It was exactly in October, so it brings back a lot of memories.
Coming.
And another part of the reason is the birthday girl, who is going to be how old tomorrow? How old are you gonna turn? Are you gonna turn 5? Are you gonna turn 1? No. Are you gonna be 3? No. How old are you gonna be?
50.
50?
Wow, that's a big girl. You're older than me. Yeah, babushka. I'm gonna catch you. Okay, we'll dry out. So what day is it today? What is it?
It's my birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday. How old are you today?
3.
You're 3. Show me in your fingers. How old are you?
2.
Is that 2 or 3?
2.
And now you are?
3.
3. Are you happy to be 3? Yeah?
And where are you going now?
Where are we gonna go?
With the carousel.
To the park with the carousel? Show me the way.
There.
Remember? Wow, you have good memory.
Stars, the sky, or just cheap plastic lights that just blink. Waiting on magic.
Wake up!
Wake up, birdie!
We were burning. We went out. We're awake. Every people is awake.
No, what do you mean? So far we've had a haphazard vlog start. I've decided to continue vlogging today, just to see what happens. It's a special day. It's their birthday. We're in Paris. Why not document it? If anybody can post on my channel. What do you think?
You don't need to ever explain yourself. Ever.
And that's Mimi's rule, but I like to explain myself.
Do it or don't do it, that's all.
Mama's here too.
Let's go.
Follow the lights with dreams too high.
Beautiful, all the trees are turning color. Oh. My favorite time here is spring and fall. Same with New York.
My favorite time here is August.
I thought you were gonna say my favorite time in Paris is always.
Currently, right now, we're looking for the carousel.
I can see it, it's over there, but I'm not sure it's working.
carousel.
Yeah. You have been to this carousel. Yes, you have.
There's a carousel and a playground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alex has a private carousel. You're the only kid here.
That's pretty major.
We rented the whole carousel in Paris. Not. What?
It's a really cute carousel, and it goes. Where is this? We're in
Tulare, Jardin Tulare.
Jardin Tulare, and what I like about this one, it's quite affordable. Like we have one in London, which is so expensive, and it goes so fast. So like for her, she doesn't really enjoy it, but this one goes really slow. So then it's hard to get her off this carousel.
Are you flying?
And also what I like about this carousel, they let me stay for free. Whereas in London, I have to pay just.
I think because when we come here, there's nobody here. If it was full, it probably wouldn't be the case. Alexa, where's your ticket?
Where's your ticket?
Thank you. And then see.
Now I can drive with my unicorn. Can you please hold my unicorn?
Of course I can hold it. Where are we flying today? To the playground. Let's fly out.
And you asked me the pilot where's the water.
Pilot, where's the washroom?
It's over there.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Back of the plane.
I mean,
It's there.
Stars shining bright above me. I breathe seem to whisper.
the whole carousel piece. They're walking like they're so funny. Fun. Are you jumping with you? Pillow. One more. Keep blowing. Wow. Happy birthday.
What was your wish?
You're so big. What did you wish for?
It's a secret.
A pillow. You have a pillow.
This is a secret.
A little pillow. That's a wonderful wish.
You wanna try a cake?